This Department of Legal Metrology in Goa is consumer oriented, and it is responsible for maintaining accuracy in all weights and measure weighing instrument used in all weights and measure weighing instrument by the 10 trading centers in the state of Goa. The department is to implement the provision of Legal Metrology Act 2009, Legal Metrology General Legal Metrology Rules 2011, and the Legal Rules. The legal metrology in the interest of the public. And as you know that the precision and accuracy in measurement plays a vital role in the day-to-day life. As you know, since the child is born, the weighment of the child is done, and accordingly, the doctor prescribes the medication. And a efficient legal metrology system inspires confidence in the trade industry, consumer, and brings harmonious environment for conducting business. Omission of the state of Goa with respect to the legal metrology is no more or no less, just exact. We here in Goa, what he deserves, what he pays for. Functioning of this department, am I going fast? The department acts as an instrument to safeguard the consumers from the scrupulous traders. Implementation of this division of the act, verification, stampage, or compliance with respect. Talking about the infrastructure of the legal metrology in Goa. Goa is a small state with a total population of 15 lakhs. It is very easy in Goa for accessing to the general public, because Goa being a small state, and there are 12 talukas and 10 offices of LM. There is a good road connectivity. It is very accessible. Recently, we have started with online services rendered to the consumers in Goa, mostly with respect to weights and measure and the package commodity. Weights and measures, we have licensing of the manufacturer of weights and measures and its renewal, licensing of the dealers weights and measures and its renewal, licensing of repairer weights and measure and their renewals, and registration and manufacturer, packers and importers. For all this, you can go on online, visit goaonline.gov.in. Here, what happens mostly with respect to, we got a portal, and then we got a checklist where all the manufacturer, dealer, repairer, they according to the checklist, they have to upload the requirement, what is required for, and they need not visit the offices. The applicant need not visit at any do it on the online. Final certificate issued to the applicant is also online. Regular intimation on the status of application field is given to the customer online. Auto renewals of the registration services are also carried out online. We have formed a format where they have to share the number of their returns with respect to the repair of the weights and measures. I mentioned you regarding the online services that all the online services are you can get it on the portal goaonline.in, and then already we have registered around Goa 7 manufacturers, around 28 dealers and 32 repairers are already done their registration online this year. Key features of the online services that applicant need not visit the department at any given point of time. Payment towards the services are collected online. The final certificate is issued to the applicant in his login. Regular intimation on the status of the applicant field, auto renewal of the registered services. Here what happens, once you register with this department, all your data is stored with us, and then again you need not, in case in the next year if you change the premises or any other information is required to be filled, and they can additional information they can fill, and then according the license is automatically issued to them online. Operations part of this department, there are approximately 20,000 traders, including industries in Goa. The annual inspection of the trader in Goa is around 5,000. We got 10 legal as I mentioned you, there are 10 legal metrology offices all over Goa, and their extensive inspection is carried out, and we book more than 500 cases per annum, out of which 40% cases are booked on the package commodities. Total carried out in Goa, even being Goa small, we got two calibration towers in both the talukas of Goa. The calibration is exclusively done by the department and not by the third-party services. Earlier cases, we used to do calibration of more than 500 vehicle tanks in a year, but after the lockdown, after the additional service in the nearby states, now we are restricted to around 300 vehicle tanks calibration in a year in the state of Goa. Calibration of storage tanks. Calibration of storage tanks, we have authorized some government repairers and calibrators to do calibrations of storage tanks. Goa is now capital, you can say, of distilleries and breweries. The most important, I want to tell you that the most expensive liquor is produced in Goa, and there are many distilleries where there are storage tanks have been calibrated by this department. One more important thing I want to mention here is the distilleries for short delivery, and even in the breweries we have booked some cases in the breweries, even where the cases are gone in the court of law and where we have won. Verification of stamping. Most important here is the daily bread earners, or verification and stamping of the vendors, fruit sellers and all who are doing is carried out on a single day. We did not keep their weights and measure. When they come, we immediately attend them, and then verification stamping is carried out, and the weights and measures are given back to them for their business, and the certificate is also issued on the same time. As I mentioned you again, calibration of vehicle tanks, there are two calibration towers in Goa, one in the north, one in the south, and exclusively calibration of the vehicle tanks is carried by the department itself, not by the third party agency. Regular inspection is also carried out on legal metrology by the legal metrology officers by means of joint raid with respect to declarations on the packages and overcharging and the not net content. Goa being a tourist destination, there is always we receive complaints about the overcharging of the soft drink and the other commodities, package commodity, and those complaints are attended by the legal metrology officers regularly. So regarding short with respect to the general traders, we have booked some cases with respect to stationaries, book covers or clean wrap or aluminum foils. The declaration which comes on the clean wrap or aluminum foil is, they mentioned that the commodity inside the pack is 9 meters, but we have found it is never exceeded more than 3 meters. We received complaint from the big 5-star hotels in Goa, on which we have acted in the market, and we have booked many companies who are packing clean wrap, aluminum foil, and also book covers, and now we can see that they are coming with the proper measurement. Earlier, when the declarations were 9 meters, they've never exceeded 3 meters. So the enforcement with respect to the packaged commodities in Goa is very powerful. Social awareness, frequent consumer awareness. There are 36 consumer forums in Goa, and frequent consumer awareness programs with the help of the consumer forums and the departments are carried out throughout in the schools, colleges, municipalities, panchayats, and even in the government organization, including secretariat. This awareness program, because of the consumer forums in Goa, which are very active, and they only arrange a consumer awareness program with respect to the legal metrology, awareing the people regarding the weights and measure, package commodity, and the frequent practices which are being carried out by the manufacturer, wholesale dealer, retailer rendering service to the consumers. There are also many consumer clubs in Goa which are helping this department to do or to carry out awareness program with respect or also in the interest of the general public. One more important thing I want to mention regarding this department, Goa, this legal metrology department is an independent department. Not like the other states, this department is mostly a civil supply inspector will be a legal metrology officer, or a labor inspector will be a legal metrology officer. But in Goa, we got a single file system where this department is an independent department. Controller heads the department, and we are very happy to say that we receive a very good support from Honorable Minister of Legal Metrology and the Secretary of Legal Metrology for proper implementation of acts and rules of legal metrology. We are very happy to share this information that 2 working standard laboratories are set up in the state of Goa with the help of central government and Director of Legal Metrology, New Delhi, and the 3rd working standard laboratory in the national economy, and to generate a sense of trust and confidence among the general public with respect to science, technology, and industrial measurement. And to wind up, I want to tell you that India, what happens in India, it is a trader-dominated market. Trader-dominated market means in most of the European countries, if you are hungry and if you want to drink a Pepsi, then you will drink Pepsi only, or if you want to drink Coca-Cola, you will drink a Coca-Cola only. But in India, it doesn't happen. India, if you want to drink a Pepsi, if the shop, if the Pepsi is not available, shop fellow will give you some other drink and you will satisfy yourself. This will not happen in the parts European country. If they want to drink a Pepsi, they will drink Pepsi only driving 20 kilometers away. And then even if you want a Britannia biscuit, in India, they will give you some other biscuit, and then it is a trader dominated market. We want to make it a trader dominated market, and then only the great words of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, will come through, that the customer is God. Thank you very much.